Here in the master bedroom, you have your private Japanese garden, and the irrigation is all automated, so you don't have to take care of that. But then come and have a look at the deck here. This is absolutely brilliant. You have your own jacuzzi overlooking the city. Well, this is how luxury life is supposed to be, right? Good morning. It is Saturday morning and I'm here at the Thong Lor BTS station, and the reason that I'm here is because I want to show you a very nice penthouse unit. And here in Thong Lor there are plenty of luxury and new apartments. There are new constructions all over the place. Actually, the place is really changing a lot, but we are going to an old building called the Waterford right over here, and I'm gonna film the penthouse. You can actually see the penthouse from here. The penthouse is on the 26th floor of the building. The building is from 1992, and I actually love to see these kind of projects where they completely renovate an apartment. You get a huge space in a very good location. Anyway, let's go. So welcome to the Waterford Tower. Well, I would almost say it should be towers because there are actually 3 towers. The smallest is in front here. We are going to Tower B. As you can see here, the building is a bit older. It was actually constructed in 1992, but if you see the apartment on the inside, you can see what a little bit of magic can do with an old apartment in Bangkok. Let's go. You know, I'm always happy to show a special unit, and this definitely is a special unit. We are here at the penthouse on the 26th floor. The ceiling here is 6.9 meters, but the rest of the apartment, it's 2.5. The total size of this apartment is 473 square meters, and it has 93 square meters of balcony. We are here in the Thonglor district. There in the back you can see the BTS line with the Thong Lor BTS station. So you can see we're having a bit of overcast. It is at the beginning of the raining season. And this is a perfect example what you can do if you renovate a penthouse in an older building. Let me show you the second bedroom here. Perfectly finished. I always like this. The washlet, rain shower. Obviously we have a lot more than just penthouses in our portfolio, so I will leave a link to my Sqft Homes channel where we have literally hundreds of video of other apartments. And if you're moving to Bangkok, you can connect with us via email at info@sqfthomes.com. One of the absolute highlights of this unit for me is the dining and kitchen area. Well, it starts here with a wine cooler. Nice spacious dining area here. And then the kitchen island. And there's a wet kitchen in the back, or let's call it a maid's kitchen. So first of all, you have one dishwasher here. And this is something what I noticed. I will show you in a bit. The appliances in the kitchen are all by Torrenge. Here we have the maid's quarter with the maid's kitchen and another dishwasher. So not every unit in Bangkok has a dishwasher. Well, this one has two. And then here we have the maid's quarter, and this is also something that is a little bit different. A nice air conditioning and a rain shower. Normally the maid's quarters are always forgotten areas, but I think they did a great job here with making sure the maid has a good space to stay as well. Or even here there is a balcony. So here you have the whole Thong Lor Road in front of you, Sukhumvit 55. From here you can walk into the kitchen again, and this is a perfect entertainment area. The glass is already, and you can open this. You have another wine cooler here. Yeah, so this floor is all about entertainment. Let's go to the second floor, where you have two more bedrooms. I love these lights here on the railing. This you can make into an entertainment place as well, or maybe a video room where you can watch your movies. I also take the opportunity whenever I see a new unit now, how the state of the unit is. And as you can see, all the walls are perfect. This building was not damaged by the earthquake, fortunately. And here in the master bedroom, you have your private Japanese garden. And the irrigation is all automated, so you don't have to take care of that. But then come and have a look at the deck here. This is absolutely brilliant. You have your own jacuzzi overlooking the city. Well, this is how luxury life is supposed to be, right? The bathroom, the double vanity, no fighting in the morning. And I love this style of rain shower that they have here. Yeah, absolutely beautiful, stylish apartment. Big walk-in closet. The size on the title deed is 473 square meters. This is a freehold project and it's inside the foreign quota, and the common fee is 32 Thai baht per square meter. So I have one more bedroom to show you. I absolutely love this apartment and it's for sale. It's 94 million Thai baht, completely renovated, as you can see. There are two fixed spaces in the car park here in the building included. And we are here in Sukhumvit 53. All units have a rain shower. Absolutely amazing penthouse here in the Thong Lor district. I've been here before they renovated it, and believe me, it didn't look like this. By the way, if you're interested in buying this apartment, you can send us an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. The sales price is 94 million Thai baht, but we are not ready yet. Let me go down to the facilities floor and I will show you the swimming pool and the gym. We are here on the 6th floor. And there's a huge renovation going on here. So there's going to be a new gym. And this is the swimming pool. From here you have a nice view on how the building looks. There are 3 towers in the project here. This is the second tallest, and then you have the small one right here. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this beautiful penthouse here at the Waterford Park in Thonglor. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.